Today I'm going to make chicken sandwich bread. Isa sa mga favorite kong alaman sa tinapay. Ito yung mga ingredients. Very colorful siya. And of course, we have the shredded chicken already boiled earlier and shredded. And of course, mayonnaise and pickle radish. Tapos, meron tayong special gadget dito. Ito yung nagpapadali ng buhay namin dito sa bahay. Chopper siya. Madaling gamitin. Manual chopper. Kung wala kayong food processor sa bahay, this is a very nice gadget. It's really amazing and I'll show you why. So, ang gagawin natin, yung chopped vegetables, ilalagay natin siyang ganyan. Made my life so easy in the kitchen. Tapos, tatakpan lang natin siya. Now you see, then we will add this one over here. Natin itong tanggal. Now we'll do the carrots. Ta-da! Now, we can put together the celery and then we'll cover again and do the same thing. Ta-da! Talagang may charang.
Kaya ganyan lang parang pangit na.
We'll mix. We'll add mayonnaise. 2, 3, 4. We'll add some pickle relish. Let's put some 4 teaspoon first. Siyempre guys, pag nagtitimpla kayo nito, tatansyahin nyo yung lasa. Pati yung mayonnaise, kung lagyan ko muna ng 5 tablespoons. Okay. Now, we'll use a bigger spoon to mix this.
Yeah.
Add some pepper. Huwag madami kasi minsan ayaw ni Prince. Then we'll add salt. And we'll add sugar. Konti lang kasi nilagyan na natin ng pickle radish. Then we'll mix this again. Masarap siya yung mas maraming mayonnaise. Pero masarap din yung meaty na ganito. Yan. Now we'll taste it. Delicious. Want to have some? So that's our chicken sandwich filling for tonight. So now I'm going to put it back here, the empty mayonnaise bottle. Then we can put it in the fridge and cover it, put it in the fridge. This is very classic Filipino. Syempre no, kailangan marunong tayong magmahal sa kalikasan. We use, reuse, and recycle. Sayang naman kung itatapon natin to. Nice.
They don't watch it.